So Donald Trump is back in the headlines, but this time it's not for what he said, but for what he might have done behind the scenes. Over the last 48 hours, a series of shocking revelations, stock market swings, and high-profile reactions, including from none other than the Wolf of Wall Street himself, have set the political and financial world on fire. So what happened? Welcome everybody, I'm Alexander Ice, and let's break it all down. On April 9th, Donald Trump announced a dramatic shift in his trade policy. He backed off from a long-promised plan to impose sweeping tariffs on basically everybody in the world and especially Chinese goods. This U-turn shocked markets, but even more shocking was what came next. Just hours before that announcement, an unusual spike in trading activity was spotted in sectors most affected by tariffs, particularly retail and manufacturing. Certain hedge funds made millions, even billions, by betting that the tariffs wouldn't go through. The timing was too perfect. As a matter of fact, just a few hours before his announcement, Trump said on social media that now was a good time to buy, which led to big rises in stock markets all over the world. By the next morning, April 10th, accusations of insider trading started flying. Critics claimed that someone with access to Trump's change of heart might have tipped off investors. Federal regulators launched an investigation almost immediately, and sources confirmed that Trump's inner circle is under scrutiny. To be clear, Trump himself hasn't been formally accused, but the mere suggestion of insider trading tied directly to a major policy reversal has prompted outrage from watchdog groups, lawmakers, and financial analysts alike. Federal regulators launched an investigation almost immediately, and sources confirmed that Trump's inner circle is under scrutiny. Trump has dismissed the accusations as a witch hunt and fake news, calling the investigation politically motivated. But here's where it gets even more bizarre. Jordan Belfort, yes, the actual Wolf of Wall Street, has come out defending Trump. In an interview with Sky News, Belfort said, and I quote, "There is no way Trump is guilty of insider trading." He argues that Trump doesn't trade stocks, doesn't need the money, and wouldn't bother orchestrating something this messy. While some find that argument convincing, others are pointing out that insider trading doesn't always require direct involvement. Information leaks can be subtle, unspoken, and still illegal. And to be fair, can we really say that now is a good time to buy, really that subtle and unspoken? And can we really trust Jordan Belfort? As of April 11th, federal investigators are combing through communications between Trump's advisors, hedge funds managers, and Republican donors. They're looking for any patterns or leaks that could link the policy reversal to specific trades. The investigation is still in its early stages, but make no mistake, this could become one of the most politically explosive insider trading cases in US history, especially if it turns out that someone close to Trump, or maybe himself, profited off a secret that hadn't yet gone public. Whether this ends in criminal charges, political fallout, or just another controversies in already turbulent election cycle, one thing's for sure, this story isn't going away anytime soon. Now, I'm not saying that Trump may have profited of this, but let's just remember that this president is still running his businesses and announced his own crypto when he became president. And that, on its own, is absolutely illegal. What do you think? Is it just another political smear, or is there something shady happening behind the scenes? Let me know in the comments and don't forget to like and subscribe.